Yo guys, what is going on? I hope you're all having a fantastic day so far. And today, I've got something cool for you. So, if you want to get this keyboard, you just see them. What you want to do to get it on? Bang! Oh, that's mine. Look, watch, tap, fireballs. And there's just not just that, but tens. Wait, what? You want to click me? You go up. And then it's back, and if you want to edit, I've not got just this one, anonymous. Boo, 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 boo. Oh, do, do, do. I've also got, let's see. Boop, boop. This one. These ones what I make. It's cool. And you can also type your own way. So, yeah. What's on balls? You can type balls somehow. Yep, it all works. And all you need to do is download Fancy Key Pro. It is such a good way to get these. Look. You can get all these. Good say loads. Look at that one. Oh, you can get official things like Tycoon on and stuff. But if I want to go to Fancy, look at all these. Like, they always are getting updated. By looking all back on here. And you can get this one. Some you have to download. Like that. But you don't always have to buy them. Look at that. Look at America. So guys, you can also change this. Look at these. Since I want this one, that happens when I type. If I wanted a trombite and I type, trombites come. If I wanted a smash, 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 smash. I want this thing. So guys, I hope you, and you can also get music. Oh yeah, you can get music, listen. Might take a long time to download, so you can download them, and then the music will. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next time.